Alright, so we set it up. That one is semi-quasi, almost touching the ground. Alright. Alright, so we got to take on, we got the setup over here. You see my phone stand? Yeah, I'm keeping it real, people, because I ain't got all that fancy stuff. Like I said, I don't even have a fancy phone or a camera or a stand. Here we go. Alright, let's see if we can semi-quasi take this one up. All right. Nope. Getting to the end of my board. I can only go as far as my board will let me. Yay! Got it. Oh, I hate getting it. I don't like getting it up no higher than that. And I see if I can get it down semi-quasi gently. Okay. Okay, that's semi-quasi gently right there, people. Let's do the front.